Welcome to the Stylarc Studio. Today I'm going to be decoding Stylarc. If you're a new Stylarc customer, welcome. Or if you're an existing Stylarc sewist, we're so happy to have you here, and I'm sure that this video is going to outline some new features that we've been working on behind the scenes that you'd love to know about, so stay tuned. I'm going to talk you through everything from our website, how to search for different things, how to buy a pattern, how to apply a discount code, how to get your bonus pattern, how to download your patterns, how to save your patterns, how to print your patterns. There's so many things to get through. And also once you have received your pattern either in the post or you have printed your PDF pattern or had it printed at a print shop, I'm going to go through some of our new features of our construction sheet, including our linked tutorials and some features of the pattern itself. So test squares, seam allowances, cutting lines, sizing, all sorts of things. So I hope you find this video useful. Let's get started. Here's a little tour of our website, stylarc.com. Here you can see our women's patterns divided into clothing categories, along with our ARC archives, which are our older patterns, and you can find our PDF bonus pattern of the month here as well. We also have a tab for kids patterns and PDF sewing patterns divided into different formats. We also have our resource tab where there's lots of different things that you can access to help your sewing journey, like our blog, our body measurement size chart, sewing dictionary, and our sewing key. Another important tab is our tutorials tab, which I'll go into more depth later. Here you can see our feature banner and a little trend report on the return of culottes. Then you can see our patterns divided into categories visually and some information on our bonus PDF pattern of the month. And down here we can see our new release patterns. Let's have a little look at a pattern. I've chosen the Avon woven shirt and dress. Here you can see the different pattern formats. So we've got the multi-size PDF pattern, which includes a layered file and an A0 file and a projector file. The single size PDF pattern, the printed pattern in a multi-size, and a printed pattern in a single size. You can also see your size options here, single sizes and also multi-sizes if you select a multi-size pattern. You can see the price here, and you can see all of our gallery images and get some information here on the front image, including the level of difficulty of the pattern. You can also see here if you've purchased the pattern or not if you're logged into your account. If you scroll down, you can see the description. This will tell you all about the pattern, including the main features, fabric suggestions, trims. Then you've got your sewing tutorial, and you can click directly to the YouTube sew along or the photographic tutorial here, any reviews, and then the garment measurement and fabric estimates in this section here. Now these are the finished pattern measurements. We have these both in centimeters here, and if you scroll down, you'll see the finished pattern measurements in inches as well. Here you can see the main fabric estimates for the shirt or dress or whichever pattern you're looking at, in two different widths for our newer patterns, and then the amount of fusing or interfacing that you need for a garment as well. If we scroll down further, you can see our body measurements size chart. Our sizes are all Australian sizes. We have the measurements in centimeters and inches. And we also have a size conversion table for international sizing. As I said, we're in Australia, so all of our patterns are Australian sizing. But if you're in the UK, the US, France, Italy or Japan, we have an international conversion chart here. But we would always recommend using the measurements in our body measurement size chart to select your size. Here's how to measure your body to select your size. And here's some pattern formats details that you will receive when you order a pattern, and some ideas of what you can style that particular pattern with. Once you've decided which pattern or patterns you'd like to buy, you'll need to scroll back up to the top and select your pattern format. Again, we have the multi-size PDF pattern, single-size PDF pattern, multi-size printed pattern, or single-size printed pattern. Select the one you want. I've chosen the multi-size PDF pattern here. And then select your size or size range. I'm choosing the size 10 to 22. And just click Add to Cart. You'll see that you can view your cart, or you can click the icon in the top right-hand corner. You'll see in your cart the pattern and the size range and the price of the pattern. And then you can click Proceed to Checkout. In your cart, you'll be prompted if you would like the bonus PDF pattern for the month. Click Find Out How. You'll be directed to the PDF bonus pattern page. All you need to do is add the bonus pattern below into your cart along with your selected pattern. So click the bonus pattern in the format that you would like, single size or multi-size PDF only. And do what you did for your pattern. So just select the multi-size PDF if you would like that, or the single size PDF along with the size range. And press Add to Cart. Again, view your cart, and you'll see both patterns at their full price in your cart. All you need to do to get the bonus pattern for free is to click the green coupon. You'll see here in the cart totals that the bonus pattern price has been removed from your cart total. All you need to do now is proceed to checkout. Add in all of your billing details. Decide if you would like to pay with card or with PayPal, and click the Terms and Conditions box and press Pay with Card or Pay with PayPal. If we're having a sale and you'd like to apply the coupon, here's how to go about doing it. Select the pattern or patterns that you'd like to buy and add them to your cart, just like we did before, by selecting your pattern format and then your size or size range and pressing Add to Cart. View your cart, and in the box next to where it says Apply Coupon, type the coupon that you've been provided with. And please note, it is not case sensitive, and press Apply Coupon. You'll see here that your cart total has deducted the amount of the coupon. In this instance, it was 20%, and you'll see the new total down below. Once you've placed your order, you'll see here the order received page, and then you can move to your email, and you'll see an email saying that your Stylarc order is complete. If you've ordered a PDF pattern, scroll down until you see a section which shows you some blue links. These are your links to download your pattern. These links are only available for 14 days. You need to click on each of these to download each format. This is the tiled format, as you can see here. You'll then see the wide format size, then the A0 size, projector file, and importantly, your construction sheet. Once you've got these downloaded, they will go into your downloads file. From there, you can move them to any other file where you keep your sewing patterns, and then you'll have them forever. Another way to access your sewing patterns is to log into the My Account section on stylarc.com. Here you can see your recent orders, and you can download your patterns by clicking on these links. So even if your download links from your email have expired, they'll always be here too. You can also update your name, password, or email address, and manage your wish list from this section as well. Here's a little guide for printing at home. Open up the tiled file and scroll to the second page where you'll see the test square. This must measure 10 by 10 centimeters or 3/15/16 of an inch. Once we scroll down, we can see the schematic page. This shows us the way the pattern pieces are laid out across the tiles and how many tiles there are. This one has 31 tiles. If you'd like to select a few sizes or one size to print, just select the layers icon and deselect the sizes that you don't want. I just want to print the size 16, so I've left 16 and the base on. You can see here just the green lines remain for the size 16 pattern pieces. As we scroll down, you can see the different tiles with the pattern pieces cut up across them. To print your pattern, just press the print icon and select actual size and auto. I'd also recommend printing in colour if you're printing multiple sizes. Here is your printed pattern, and I'm going to talk to you about some different features of the instruction sheet. So on the front page here, you can see your QR code here. If you scan that one, it links directly to our full video sew along, so you can sew along right from the start. Here we have our international size conversion chart. We always recommend to choose your size based on our size chart on our website, which is our body measurement size chart. Here is all of the information that you need about fabric estimates, fusing or interfacing estimates, and some fabric suggestions, and your trims and notions that you need, buttons, zips, etc. And then if we open it out here, you've got 2 pages in this pattern. On this first page here, printed at the end, you've got all of your instructions here. So you can see here we've got 8 pages of instructions for this dress, which is the Becker's woven dress. On the second page of your instruction sheet, we have something very important, which is the helpful hints. Don't skip reading this section. It tells you lots of things that you'll need to know, including seam allowances, right sides together, wrong sides together, the height that the pattern's drafted for, pre-washing instructions, all sorts of information. Here we've got the finished measurements of the garment. So these are different to the body measurements. These include the ease that's designed into each garment. You can see here our lay charts for the best way to lay out your fabric, and some cutting tips from our pattern maker and pattern maker's fit notes here. Same again for lay charts for a different width of fabric, 148 or 112 centimetres. The key for the instructions, which is the right side of the fabric, wrong side of fabric, fusing or interfacing, and zips. Here are all of your pattern pieces laid out and the pattern piece names, and this is a diagram of how all the pattern pieces go together. From there we have our instruction notes, including diagrams for each step of putting together the garment, and that continues on through the next few pages. So let's have a little look further into the pattern. So as you can see here, this is a multi-size pattern from sizes 18 to 30. Some pieces you'll see will have one single blue line, like these two here, the pocket and the belt loops. This is because they don't grade, so you just cut that piece for each size within the pattern. But other pattern pieces you'll see have many different lines. So these are the sizes here that are colour-coded in the middle of each pattern piece. And these colours correspond to the cutting and seam allowance lines around the edge of the pattern. So the solid line is the cutting line and the dashed line is the seam allowance. So you can see here a size 18 is the pale blue line, and this is the size 18 cutting line here. Size 30 is black, and this is the black cutting line for size 30. And again, size 24 is green. So this is the size 24 cutting line. So you just follow that all around here and it will show you the seam allowance for each size as well. You can see here on each page, so on this page as well as this page of the pattern, you'll see that there is a test square, and this will always measure 10 centimetres by 10 centimetres or 3 15/16 of an inch for each pattern. And as long as this is correct, that means that all of your pattern pieces will be sized correctly, and this is regardless if you bought a printed pattern from us, or if you have had it printed at a print shop or printed it off at home yourself. You can see some different terminology here. You'll find all of your cutting instructions on the pattern piece too. So this one, for example, says back dress bodice, cut 1 main on the fold. And this arrow here tells you that this is the section that you need to have on the fold of your fabric. Here's the center back notch. You've got gathering, this wiggly line here, and some notches to match the dart, which is on the skirt, belt loops, your zip opening. It's all there, all the information that you'll need to construct your garment. Here's how to find tutorials. Just head to the home page and click the Tutorials tab. Here you'll see all of our available tutorials laid out alphabetically by style. Scroll down to find the style that you're after and click on the style name. Here you'll see that you can shop the pattern directly from the tutorial, or scroll down until you'll see a video link to a YouTube sew along if there is a video tutorial available, and underneath that there is the photographic tutorial. This follows the instructions but with real life sewing photos. Thank you for watching, and I hope you've enjoyed this video and you found it helpful. If you have, please like, save and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more sewing content.